Now let's talk about the git add. Now let me open that folder first. Okay, now I'm creating one file here. Now creating another file here. Okay. Now you can see here, type here ls, you will see two new files, but this is using this ls command. Now I just want to see here using git. You can see here, you can type the git status, it will show you all the status. You are on the branch master, no commits yet, I have not created any commit. Untracked file means this is the new files, this is not being tracked by git. I'm just adding it. You can use git add for adding the single file. I will show you git status. Now this file has been added, new file has been, it's the type of new file, changes to be committed. If I create the commit, then this file will be added in the commit. Untracked file, still this file is untracked. Okay, I just wanted to add all the file, git add all file will be added. Git status, this file has been added. For example, let me remove all file, git status. If I have added git add file name, then only one file will be added, and if I add git add all, then all file will be added. Okay, so this is the command for adding the new files.